Okay, so here we have our cloth, our cube and our plane. What we need to do is sort out the physics for them so that they actually get the cloth folding over the box itself. All right, so I'm just going to tip this so we can see the cloth. I've right clicked on the cloth. What we need to do with this is in the physics tab, we need to make sure that it has collision so that it knows when it hits something it has to react to it. We're also going to select cloth, and with cloth what we're actually going to be doing is we're going to be choosing a particular style of cloth that it's going to be emulating. So the type of cloth that we're having a look at is down here underneath cloth. There are a number of presets that you can choose. You can have it like silk, for example. I'm just going to choose cotton for now. If I tip this up slightly, I've now got to look after the physics of the cube as well. So making sure I'm on the physics tab, I might have to scroll up to have a look and see what I've got. There has to be collision for the cube because when the material hits the cube, it needs to know that it is hitting a solid surface. So we have to give that a collision as well. Likewise with the plane, we don't want the cube to fall through or for the cloth to fall through, so we need to select collision for that as well. All right, so let me scroll this way a little bit, change the position that we have. If I go down the bottom and I use the simulator, if I click on play, my computer might take a while, but what you should start to see is that the cloth folds itself over the cube. Okay, as I say, mine's taking a little bit of time to do that, but I think you can see the effect where the actual cloth is folding over the cube. Now your challenge is going to be to create a cloth over a cube. You can make it a rectangular picnic table if you like, or whatever you like. And then I want you to scale down the chips, the fish fingers and the peas and place them on your picnic cloth for me, please. That's going to be your challenge. I'd like to see a print screen of that. I will put an area up for you to submit that. Okay, have some fun.